Welcome to DIY Saturday with me, your host, Shundara. Hey, all you savvy naturalistas and Ohana. Welcome to another episode of DIY Saturday. But hold up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana, our awesome family. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites, you guys. Make sure you thumbs up this video. If you would like to get to know me, your host, Shundara Vetter, make sure you're subscribed to my vlog channel. Also, make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. So in this episode of DIY Saturday, you guys, today we're making a Roblox. Why I call it Roblox? Y'all say Roblox, and then I'm hearing this Roblox. But if I'm saying it wrong, my bad. But today we're going to be making Roblox Bath Bombs. So I really wanted to make this bath bomb because this game or this app, this game is so popular, especially with kids and adults alike. This game is really popular, and I wanted to make these bath bombs for the simple sake that when I used to do live streams, all you guys would talk to me about is Roblox. And I'm like, I don't play this game. So I kind of got a little addicted to it, so I had to delete it from my phone. Like literally when I get addicted to games, I delete them from my phone. So I deleted this game from my phone, but I really love this game. So I decided, let's make this festive Roblox bath bomb. So there are a few tips I would like to say. The mode that you guys do see me use, you can use that mode if you're not using polysorbate 80. So if you decide to skip out and not use polysorbate 80, you can use a 10 mode from the dollar store that I did use. However, if you are using polysorbate 80 to make these, then I suggest you not use that mode. These literally got stuck in the muffin tin and it damaged my muffin tin. So instead of using that as a mold, I suggest you use it as a silicone mold. So you guys, that's the only tip I have for you. This DIY is really easy. If you're a fan of Roblox and you're looking to give somebody a gift that's not sugar, well, try these bath bombs and let's go see how we can make them, and let's go. So you want to start off with 8 ounces of melting pour soap. I am using a coconut base. However, you can use any base you like. Just make sure it's white for the R shape that we are going to add to the bath bomb. Now I'm going to add to the melting pour soap. I put it in a microwave for 3 to 5 minutes. Miracle Glow oil, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com. I am using 20 drops of Miracle Glow oil. I'm also using 2 capfuls of blueberry fragrance oil, which I got off at Amazon. And with this, you can find this at Amazon. I'm going to leave a link down below. And you just want to mix the fragrance oil and the Miracle Glow oil until it's combined. You can use any fragrance oil. I'm using blueberry for this because it smells really good. So now I'm using a cookie cutter, the R shape, and I'm just cutting it and pressing down into the soap that I put in a sheet once I let it dry. So that's what we're doing right now. This part is really hard. I don't know why, but it was just really difficult for me to get the R's out. So you want to press down deeply, or don't let it dry too much like I did. That would be my tip. Let it just soften just a little bit. So now you want to take a muffin tin. I suggest you use a silicone mold for this. And you want to just take the little pick and just pick out the R's out of your soap and add them to the mold. Please use a silicone mold. These did not come out of this mold whatsoever, and I had to redo the project. So now you want to add a cup and 3/4 cup of baking soda to this mixture. So make sure you have a cup and 3/4 cup of baking soda. We're going to add 3/4 cup of citric acid to this mixture. And you guys, this is a 1/4 cup I'm using. I haven't gotten the right utensils yet, but this is a 1/4 cup. And we're doing 3/4 cup of citric acid. And now we're doing a 1/4 cup of kaolin clay. And then I did add 2 tablespoons of SLSA. You guys, I just forgot to add it to the video. I'm sorry, I couldn't find the clip, but I did use 2 tablespoons of SLSA. And you want to mix it until it's combined. Once this mixture is all combined, we're going to start adding our oils. I'm going to add a tablespoon of polysorbate 80,
After I add the tablespoon of polysorbate 80, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. After I add the coconut oil, I'm going to use Miracle Glow oil, and I'm going to add 20 drops, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com. Miracle Glow oil contains all natural 24 karat gold, and you can find that at savvynaturalista.com. After that, we're going to mix it until it is all combined. So once the mixture is all combined, you want to get a separate bowl, and you want to cup out a heaping cup of the bath bomb mixture and set it into the separate bowl. Now you want to cup the other part of the mixture, and this is just to make sure the measurements are precise when I'm doing a bath bomb mixture, because I want both colors to coordinate with each other. So the Roblox colors are red, white, and black. And so right now we're going to transition the colors. So we're doing red, and we're going to mix it in until it's combined, the red color. And then we're going to do the same thing for the black color as well. So now we're getting ready to put our bath bomb mixture into each of it. I did forget to add fragrance oil to the mixture. So what you're going to see me use is Dragon Blood's fragrance oil. I thought the blueberry and Dragon's Blood worked well together because it's a perfect scent. However, you can use any scent you like. If you're making this for kids, they may like a different scent, but I like really earthy scents. So, and I am using these for myself and friends, and we sort of like earthy scents. So that's why I use Dragon Blood mixed with blueberry, because Dragon Blood has sort of a patchouli scent. So now I am using Aqua de Rosas, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com, and I am spraying it to my bath bomb mixture, and I'm going to do the red one as well. And I know you guys seeing it fizzled up, but don't worry about that. It's just fizzing. That just shows you it's going to work. And I forgot to tell you guys, make sure you check out after the video if you would like to see the bath bomb demo, because the demo is after the video. So after this, now we're going to mix it together, and we're going to just transition the colors. So here we go with the transition of colors. And once after the transition of colors, it looks pretty like this. So it sort of reminded me of Spider-Man, I would say, mixed with Roblox. But Roblox colors are black and red nowadays, and you know, I mean, we're really not into Spider-Man the way it used to be. Now this mixture will puff up a bit, but you don't have to worry about that. Just let it puff up. It sort of irks me when it puff up, so what I tend to do is just press it down more. But if you don't have a problem with it puffing up, then by all means just let it puff up. It actually slides out easier when it puffs up. And once you're using Aqua de Rosas, it comes out perfectly. And look at you guys. Pretty much we're done after this. You want to let them dry overnight and let them set. And please use a silicone mold, not a muffin tin. And there you have it. Thanks so much for watching this episode of DIY Saturday. We are changing the name. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And thanks so much for watching. Bye, you guys. Oh, and stay tuned for the demo. And make sure you check out Miracle Glow Oil at savvynaturalista.com. Bye, you guys.